Imagine a canal so massive, it could change global trade forever. A canal designed to move more cargo than one of the most famous waterways in history. And it's not in Central America, it's in China. China is building a $10 billion artificial canal that could completely reshape shipping routes, cut transportation costs, and challenge long-established global trade systems. But why is China doing this? And how could it affect the entire world? For over a century, the Panama Canal has been one of the most important shortcuts in global trade. Ships traveling between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans save thousands of kilometers by passing through it. But today, congestion, size limits, and rising global trade demand are pushing countries to look for alternatives, and China has a bold plan. China's new mega project is an artificial canal connecting the country's inland manufacturing hubs directly to major coastal shipping routes. The idea is simple but powerful. Instead of transporting goods by road or rail to the coast, ships will be able to move directly through a massive inland waterway. This canal stretches hundreds of kilometers and is designed to handle huge cargo vessels. Once completed, it could carry more cargo annually than the Panama Canal, dramatically increasing shipping efficiency. So, why invest $10 billion into digging a canal? The answer lies in logistics. China is the world's largest exporter, and moving goods efficiently is crucial. Road transport is expensive. Rail networks are crowded, but waterways? They are cheaper, greener, and capable of moving massive volumes. By creating this canal, China can cut transport costs, speed up deliveries, and boost economic activity in inland regions. If this canal works as planned, the impact could be global. Shipping companies may shift routes, manufacturing costs could drop, and China's inland provinces could become new industrial powerhouses. It's not just about transportation, it's about economic strategy. Whoever controls efficient trade routes holds major influence in global commerce. But mega projects like this aren't easy. Environmental concerns, engineering difficulties, and long construction timelines all pose risks. Digging through mountains, managing water flow, and maintaining the canal will require advanced technology and constant investment. Still, China has a track record of completing massive infrastructure projects. If successful, this $10 billion artificial canal could become one of the most important waterways of the 21st century. It could rival historic canals, reshape global shipping, and further strengthen China's position in world trade. The question is, will this canal truly change global commerce? Or is it an ambitious gamble? Only time will tell. If you found this story fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos about mega projects, global trade, and future technology. And tell us in the comments,